Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, I am going to be working on these two given problems. So we will do these problems one at a time. I want you to sit back and relax and see how I proceed. So let's get started with the very first question. Right now it says find the value of k for which the roots of this given quadratic equations are reciprocal to each other. What do you mean by reciprocal? Means that one root is multiplicative inverse of the other one. As you know that this given quadratic equation is in a standard form, so we can identify A, B, and C. In this case, our A equals to 3, our B is negative 10, and our C is K. So far so good. And now let's talk about our roots. We know that we have two roots. I want to call the first root alpha. And the other root is the reciprocal, means multiplicative inverse, means the other one is going to be 1 over alpha. And I'm going to call this second root as a beta. So we have got two roots. The first one is alpha. The second one is 1 over alpha. And here you can see that if alpha and beta are two roots of a given quadratic equation, then their sum is minus b over a, and their product multiplication is simply c over a. So we are only interested in this part. The product alpha times beta is c over a. So I'm going to write down alpha times beta equal to c over a by using this fact on the right hand side. And we know that alpha is alpha, by the way, is same, and beta is 1 over alpha. You can see this one, beta is right up here, equal to, here we know our c value is k divided by a is 3. Now let's simplify it. Okay, see right now alpha and alpha, they cancel each other out. You can see that one. This simply reduces to 1 equals to k over 3. Now we want to isolate k. I want you to multiply by 3 on the both side. This 3 and 3 cancels out. So we simply ended up k turns out to be equal to 3. So thus k equals to 3 turns out to be our k value, and that is our answer. And in this second problem, we are asked to find the quadratic equation if its roots are negative 7 and 3. So two roots are given. So negative 7, I'm going to call it this our first root, and 3 is our second root. So we are going to be using this factored form of this quadratic equation, which says x minus first root times x minus second root equal to 0. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down as, I'm going to say in first parentheses x minus, and in the second parenthesis I'm also going to put down x minus and set it equal to 0. So you can see the first root, our first root is negative 7. I'm going to put down negative 7 over here, and the second root is 3. So far so good. So this negative 7 came from here. So let's simplify this one. So we simply got negative and negative, and they are next to each other. That becomes positive 7 times x minus 3 equal to 0. Let's multiply these two parentheses. We are going to use the FOIL method. X times x is going to be x squared, and this is going to be a negative 3x, and this become plus 7x, and finally 7 times negative 3 is negative 21 equals to 0. Our final step is combine these two like terms. So we simply get x squared plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Piece of cake. And that is in a standard form, as you can see this one, and that is our answer. And I have nicely put it, my answer, right up here. And finally, here is your assignment. Can you find the value of k for these three simple kind of problems? You can take your time, you can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded these videos as well. Check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.